Did you know the Digital Nomad Visa Index has dropped? It ranks countries around the world based on how well they support remote workers with visas, infrastructure and lifestyle. So if you could pack up your laptop and work anywhere in the world, where would you go? In this week's video, we're spotlighting 6 countries that are quickly becoming digital nomad hotspots in 2025. And I'll give you a tip, there are 4 new ones on the list. Let's check them out. Coming in at number 6 is Canada, and one of my favourite countries in the world. Now Canada, most people associate it with maple syrup and beautiful scenery, but it's quickly becoming a go-to for digital nomads in 2025. Cities like Vancouver and Toronto combine modern co-working spaces with vibrant multicultural energy, while smaller hubs like Halifax and Victoria offer peaceful, productive environments. Canada's excellent healthcare, safety and stunning natural scenery make it highly attractive. Although there's no official digital nomad visa yet, programs like Startup Visa and generous tourist stays allow for longer visits. Plus, what's not to like about Canada? Lakes, mountains, skiing, and the people are really friendly. Coming in at number 5 is Hungary, especially Budapest, which is very popular now with digital nomads. With its white card visa, affordable living and buzz of creative scene, it's easy to see the attraction. The architecture stuns, from the neo-Gothic parliament to beautiful Baroque and Art Nouveau buildings, plus Budapest's famous thermal spas, fed by over 100 natural springs, is a great historic way to relax and soothe that body. And surprisingly, Hungary has a really strong cafe culture. Holding strong at number 4 is the Bahamas. Think it's just a holiday spot? Think again. The Bahamas Extended Access Travel Stay Program, or BEATS as the locals call it, make it easy for remote workers to live and work from paradise. Imagine mornings with turquoise waters, afternoons at a cafe in Nassau, and evenings filled with fresh seafood and ocean breezes. It's pricier than some destinations, but if you're after sun-soaked productivity and beachfront calm, the Bahamas truly delivers. Rounding out our top 3 is Montenegro. Now Montenegro is one of Europe's best kept secrets, but not for long. With a new digital nomad visa, stunning Adriatic coastlines and low living costs, it's a smart choice for remote workers seeking both nature and culture. From the medieval charm of old towns to buzzing cafes, the nomad infrastructure is growing fast. Bonus fact, Montenegro Bay and Kotor offers breathtaking views, and the local cuisine expect fresh seafood, hearty stews and plenty of Mediterranean flavours to keep you fueled. A close second is the United Arab Emirates. The UAE might surprise you. But Dubai and Abu Dhabi are fast becoming futuristic hubs for digital nomads. With a 1-year remote work visa, world-class infrastructure and tax benefits, the Emirates offer much more than just stopovers and skyscrapers. Expect co-working spaces with beach views, international networking events, and a digital-first culture that makes settling in a breeze. Locked in at number 1 is Spain. No surprises here. Spain is still the number 1 go-to for digital nomads in 2025. Thanks to its new nomad visa and relatively low cost of living, making it a European favourite. Whether you're working from a rooftop in Madrid, a seaside cafe in Valencia, or hopping between the Canary Islands, Spain offers the perfect blend of pace, people and productivity. And let's be honest, you'll quickly fall in love with the food, the language and the Spanish way of life. So where would you go if you could work remotely anywhere in the world in 2025? Mountain hikes in Canada, beach brunches in the Bahamas, or tapas-filled to-do lists in Spain. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment down below. We'll see you in the next video.